Let's create one task as a sample task to use in our history tour in Tallinn. So I will be using some copy-paste text, but the idea is that I'm gonna do it about the Freedom Square and the Freedom Monument actually. So first thing is the short intro that will be shown on the map, and that is just a very brief description of what it is. We don't need the comment after answer comments and hints because we just want to make it as a story. Now the task type will be no answer because it's just a story. Everything I want to tell about it, I will put it here as a text. So I will be copying and pasting some text into here from the Wikipedia. So it's probably not the right way to do it, but you might want to write your own texts. And I will also add a link to the Wikipedia so that if somebody wants to, they can get more information about the Freedom Square. Now those links and also the links that are inside the text I copied here will be opened within Loquiz application, but in a separate window so that it's a web window. Now, the important thing is that we need to add tags because the tags are the ones that are used for filtering. So I will be using Tallinn, and I will be using statues because statues is something I have used already. So when I'm tagging them, then you can use Tallinn and statues. And because it's not a game, I will put the score here to 0. If the score is 0, then it's hidden from the view, so it will not affect your tour and it doesn't make it look like a game. Now we added already the short intro, and what I also want to add is I want to add a photo of that. So I'm going to add here one photo of the night from the Wikipedia again. I'm not going to use that tour anywhere, so just for a sample purposes. And I also want to make it location specific because there's only one place where it actually makes sense to look at that, and that is at the Freedom Square. So I'm going to open the Freedom Square, and I know that the best place to look at the statue is here. Okay, so it also had the radius of 10 meters. When you walk into that, then it would activate. And then what I want to do is that I want to change the pin icon, and I want to put it as a Loquiz logo, but you can of course add your own icons as you wish, but I'm just going to use the Loquiz orange logo here, and I will also change the area color. This is the activation area to orange as well. Now what I want to do is that I want to keep that point on the map no matter what, so people can visit it how many times they like. So I keep it until the end of the game, and I also allow to close it without opening it. So that is actually just something that gives additional option for the person. And I will keep this 60 seconds here because when it's area that activates it, so when people walk there, they actually the story pops up, and when they close it so it doesn't open right away, they can move away and it doesn't create any problems. So now we should have our task set up so that we can use it in our tour.